Mahmoud from Oman asked about Tasleem, which is the seal of any prayer, whether it's a nafl or fard or janaza prayer, by saying As-salamu alaykum wa raḥmatullah wa barakatuh, or As-salamu alaykum wa raḥmatullah, or the least is to say As-salamu alaykum and As-salamu alaykum. The first Tasleem is a wajib. In order to get of the prayer or finish the prayer, you must say As-salamu alaykum wa raḥmatullah to the right. And the second Tasleem is a sunnah. The question is, if somebody said As-salamu alaykum and finished and left for an emergency or whatever, the prayer is valid. But the question is, the salah is full of sunan. The middle tashahhud is a sunnah. The middle tashahhud is a sunnah. Raising the hands is a sunnah. Or hay'ah, placing the hands on the chest or above the navel or beneath the navel according to the Hanafi madhab. These are all hay'at. What do we do in the prayer? Do we do what we think it is right or what we like, or we do according to the hadith in which the Prophet ﷺ said, "Sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli." What did he say? He said, "Sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli." This is a hadith on which I relied before and while recording the program of the Prophet's prayer. Why? We have, mashallah, enough hadith describing exactly how the Prophet ﷺ used to pray. So why do we have to invent or bring something new or do otherwise? If we have the sound hadith, we've got to stick to it. The Prophet ﷺ used to make tasleem to the right and to the left. There is a dispute between the scholars whether the prayer will be valid or not if the person just made salam to right and did not make to the left. To get out of dispute, make what the Prophet ﷺ used to do. As-salamu alaykum to the right and As-salamu alaykum to the left. Bottom line, I just stated that what's wajib and what's mandatory, the first tasleem is wajib and the second is sunnah.